Okay, this is increase indent, and it is there. When you point the cursor here, it shows sort, and sort means changing the current selection in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order can be either from either descending or ascending, whereby descending is from the biggest to the smallest. Ascending is from smallest to the biggest. So when I click here, it shows me this. Now, what do I want to sort? For example, we are looking at font face. Let me first remove this strike through. You may not see properly. It's here. I just select and again click on it like that. So when I select here like that, you realize the word font is the same. I remember we did this in primary, that if we have numbers, for example, 1, 2, 3, 1, let me just type it here, 1, 2, 1, 1, 4, 5. Then they say sort, rearrange. So definitely you will see that the answer will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's now the correct order. So these ones are just interchanged. So the same applies here. I remember we also did it in English in primary. So when you look at this one here, even the system is going to check through alphabetically which one comes first, which one comes second. So you realize that the word font is uniform for all of them. Then we have here, there is F, there is T, there is S, and then after looking at font, it will now jump to these other initials like for color, size, type, and face. So when we select this, and then we go to change sort, then you say sort in ascending order, and then we click OK. The words have changed. The words have changed. Hope you have seen that. This is how it was before. This is how it was. So font face came first, and font color. The second was font type. So when I go to sort, and I want to sort in ascending order, then I click OK, you're going to see font color, because C comes faster before F, S, and T. So you can see it has now changed. But the numbers were not tampered with, because for us we selected only font or those words there. So that is for A and Z. Now I want to encourage you that every time you check around and you don't see, just click on that arrow and you come and make these more selections here. When that one is not there, you come here and click on this. You're going to find. And a good thing, this application is designed in a way that all the language you will use is English, and it's what we are taught in. So some words you can read and understand. For example, here we have spacing, we have indentation, and if you understand what an indent is, definitely you can do. Spacing is, and a good thing, it shows even the preview here that you can see. So after that, just click OK. Let me take you back to clipboard where we have cut. I talked about cut copy because we are not clicked. We had not typed any word. Now I want to cut. After making this selection here, I click cut. The word has disappeared. Good. Now we shall come down here. The size is too big. Let me reduce the size. Just click here and then reduce or grow size. And then when you click cut, the word copy also becomes inactive, but it's only the word paste that is active. We just come and click on paste here. Okay, it is there. Isn't it there? Remember I said the cut is moving the text. Let's try out to copy. If I make my selection like this, then I come and click copy. Has it disappeared? No, I think you have seen that. Now we shall come and click there. Then you come and click paste. The word is there. The word is. Now you may ask me, why has it numbered? Because now the system is considering it as a continuation. So, as a continuation. Because we copied and pasted there and then. So these are now repetitions. Wow. This one has been repeated. We can do away with them. Good. But we just wanted to see how copy and cut is used. Wonderful. So we have that. Now I want us to look at the line spacing here, which we have already seen. We said a standard is 1.5, like that, and there we go. All right, now I want to first skip this section here because this section is linked to references. But however, when you click on this arrow, there is this arrow pointing down with a bar. It shows the different styles as well. But there is this heading 2, there is heading 1, heading 2, whereby we shall look at this. We shall look at them when it comes to referencing or table of content, as I had talked about it earlier. Now, these are different fonts. When I click on this, you can see how our words have changed. There is a line up, a line down. I can select again. I come, I say, I want, let me click on this arrow. As you can see, my cursor is moving. We have more here. When you click intense reference, intense subtitle, we have intense quote. These are just different styles. Okay, so you can see when I move the cursor, you see in the preview here, this one is like that, this one is like that, this one is like that. So you also try out there, and then you see how those words will look like. Wow, we got the last one here under home, which section is called editing. We have the word find, we have the word replace, we have the word select. Okay, we have the word select. Select means you can select every text on screen, like you have seen. When I just click select, you have seen. Okay, but our word is this one, font up to font type. Now we have the word font face and font type. I want to do one simple thing, and then I say, let me remove the word. For example, since I said they are the same, I just want to use this very one. Let me first increase the size so that we can all see. Increase. Then I say the font face and font type are the same, so I can delete this one here. Wow. Now I want to replace the word type with the face. Find the word type and replace it with face. That is this one. Now imagine you have a document that has 1,000 pages, but there is a particular word you are looking for. You can look for it manually because you're going to scroll through all those pages and you're looking for the word manually. Sincerely, no. So what you do, we have find and replace. When you click on find, it shows here, find which word, and you're going to type the word you want. For example, I want type. It is already highlighted. Wonderful. The word I'm typing here is already highlighted. Here it is set as a default. Now, if the document has 1,000 pages, as you type the word, it will look for where that word is and highlight and say, wow, the word is here. This is the one I wanted to change. Now, if I want to replace it, find that word and replace. The word replace is an English word. You find the word type and remove it, put another word. I think that's local explanation. So when I click on replace, it is going to bring for me find and replace dialog box, dialog R, question mark, and X dialog box. So it is here. Find what? The word type, okay? It is already typed because I already found it. And then replace it with face. It means that wherever there is the word type, it's going to replace it with face. Now, our document has only one page. Can I replace? Yes. If there are many pages and maybe there are many repeated words, you say replace all. Say replace all. Now we want to just replace. Click there. And then it has found it and now replace. Wow. We are finished searching the document. Okay, we can close. Wow, this was font type. It is now font face without you deleting. So if it is just one word and you know what it is, definitely you can erase and type. But if it's the bigger document, it becomes very hard for you. That is